Hi, thank you for joining Rosado Commercial Advices, and I'm gonna take you through this video on how to log into Motion AI. So first thing is to make sure you're on this site. There's the Motion AI site, and you see this login button. So you need to log in because you might have access to the Rosado CRE workspace email. If not, you have to log out first to access that. So you click on login, and if you have the access to also log in with your Google Workspace account or create a new account by signing in. But for this case, since I'm using the company's email, I'm going to just log in with Google. So I'm gonna click Google. Then I select my role. So because I'm already logged in, or I have logged in before, they just automatically log me in without entering a password. But for your case, you are likely to enter a password before you can log in. So this is how the Motion AI interface looks like. So in the next video, I'm going to explain the interface to you. Thank you so much.